How do you make your first 1 crore? See, there are multiple ways of making money. Gone are those days that you can just be in a job and keep doing what you've been doing repeatedly again and again and again. First way is, if you have a product worth 100 rupees, you sell it to 1 lakh people, you make 1 crore. Or product worth 1,000 rupees, you sell it to 10,000 people, 1 crore. Or a product worth 10,000 rupees, you sell it to only 1,000 people and you still make 1 crore. Or a product worth 1 lakh rupees and you sell it to only 100 people to make 1 crore. Now there are other ways as well. A product worth 10 lakh rupees, you need only 10 clients. Or one product worth 1 crore, you make 1 crore. There are multiple ways, but you know what? If you're in a job, when would you make 1 crore? On an average, let's say if you're 10 years in job, on an average, I have dealt with 80,000 people. I've trained them and taught them different formulas. On an average, people in 10 years of bracket of experience, you would typically make nothing more than 12 lakhs. To make 1 crore, you have to wait for 50 plus years before you have a package of 1 crore. Versus the first option I gave you, it does not depend on number of years. It depends on how many people you can sell your product and services to. So instead of just worrying about, can I double my income through jobs or other sources, how about think that, can I increase the prices of my product? Or can I get more customers? Can I get more buyers? If you can learn this formula, you can become a Crorepati. Now, if you're wondering, who is this Dev Gadhvi? Who is this guy? My name is Dev Gadhvi. If you've not seen my videos, I started my journey as an entrepreneur in 2018. I did not know what to do in life. I've just found my passion, found my purpose. And look, this is where I am, living in Dubai. All right, just to give you a sneak peek here. This is the lifestyle that I created for myself. I can work from anywhere, anytime, make money, because I understood the formula that to be able to add value to people, to impact lives, all you need is a product and service. And if you're really curious and wondering how can you also become a Crorepati, now I cannot promise you will become Crorepati in 1 month. But on an average, my mentees have built a crore plus business in 12 to 18 months. If you're really serious to learn my process, learn my formula, join the webinar and I will share all my process. Make sure you book fast, because if I get busy, I may not do these webinars very often. So click the link, join the masterclass where you can learn. I'm telling you, you will thank me for what you're going to learn in this webinar. Okay? So this is Dev Gadhvi. I'll see you in the webinar. Take care and God bless you.